Hello and good morning friends. Here in this video I am going to discuss few important MCQs that are very much relevant from exam perspective. And first one is, which novelist was associated with medical profession which he used later in his novels? And the answer is Thaddeus Smollett. Next question is, which of the following novels was not written by Smollett? Roderick Random, Clarissa Harlowe, Humphrey Clinker, and the answer is Clarissa Harlowe. Clarissa Harlowe is a work written by Samuel Richardson, and the subtitle of Clarissa is The History of a Young Lady, comprehending the most important concern of private life. It is an epistolary novel. Third question is, Thaddeus Smollett lived for how many years? And the answer is 50. So Thaddeus Smollett lived for 50 years. Which is Smollett's last work? Smollett's last work is Humphrey Clinker. Next is, by portraying such characters as Commodore Trunnion, Matthew Bramble, and Bowling, he laid the foundation for exaggeration in portraiture of human eccentricities. This quality formed the climax in Charles Dickens, George Meredith, Thackeray, or George Eliot. And here the answer is Charles Dickens. Thaddeus Smollett models his novels on Cervantes' Don Quixote. Cervantes' Don Quixote is a Spanish novel, and here the plot revolves around the adventure of a nobleman from La Mancha named Alonso Quijano, who reads so many chivalric romances that he loses his mind and decides to become a knight to revive chivalry and serve his nation under the name Don Quixote de la Mancha. Now, Oliver Goldsmith. Oliver Goldsmith is one of the greatest comedians, one of the greatest comedy writers in English literature, and he belongs to 18th century. Which of the following works has been authored by Oliver Goldsmith? The Alchemist, The Revival, The Apple Cart, or The Vicar of the Wakefield? And the answer is Vicar of Wakefield, as Alchemist, Apple Cart, and The Rivals are not written by Oliver Goldsmith. The Rivals is written by Sheridan, Alchemist, The Alchemist by Ben Jonson, and in Paulo Coelho also written a novel under the name The Alchemist. Which of the following work has not been authored by Oliver Goldsmith? The Old Bachelor, because The Good Natured Man She Stoops to Conquer, and The Traveller is written by Oliver Goldsmith. Which of the following statement about Oliver Goldsmith may be true? And here the answer is, it was to protest against the flood of sentimentalism which was invading the stage that Goldsmith put on his comedies. Goldsmith's She Stoops to Conquer was not exactly an original work. It is derived from Farquhar's Buick Stratagem. The complete title of Oliver Goldsmith's She Stoops to Conquer is The Mistakes of a Knight. So here the answer is option A, The Mistakes of a Knight. The following lines have been extracted from which of the following works of Oliver Goldsmith? All is not gold that glitters. Pleasure seems sweet but proves a glass of bitters. It is one of the famous dialogues and taken from She Stoops to Conquer. In the title of the play She Stoops to Conquer, she stands for Miss Kate Hardcastle, which is the heroine of the comedy She Stoops to Conquer. The title of the comedy She Stoops to Conquer is very apt because Miss Hardcastle, that is Kate Hardcastle, stoops to be a barmaid to conquer Marlowe. The nature of Marlowe was shy, though he belongs to a standard aristocrat family. In Oliver Goldsmith's She Stoops to Conquer, Tony Lumpkin, the brother of Kate Hardcastle, is the son of Mrs. Hardcastle and her first husband. Those who have most virtue in their mouth have least in their bosom. The lines are taken from She Stoops to Conquer. Marlowe, next question. Marlowe mistakes the house of Mr. Hardcastle for an inn. Who played the mischief? Tony Lumpkin played the mischief. Which of the following statement may be true about Oliver Goldsmith? And the answer is Oliver Goldsmith gave a hard blow to sentimental comedy. There is a character in She Stoops to Conquer who is always playing mischievous and roguish tricks upon others, and the character is Tony Lumpkin. There is a character in She Stoops to Conquer who loves everything that is old, old friends, old wine, old manners, old books, old wine, and he is none other than Mr. Hardcastle. He says these lines to his wife, Mrs. Hardcastle. The old friend of Mr. Hardcastle in She Stoops to Conquer was Sir Charles Marlowe. The hero of the comedy, Mr. Marlowe, is the son of Sir Charles Marlowe. She Stoops to Conquer. In She Stoops to Conquer, Mrs. Hardcastle wanted Tony Lumpkin to marry Miss Neville. Sir Charles Marlowe in She Stoops to Conquer has proposed a match between young Marlowe and Kate Hardcastle. What is the relationship between Hastings and Marlowe in She Stoops to Conquer? In She Stoops to Conquer, Hastings and Marlowe are friends. Next question. Why did Marlowe mistake Mr. Hardcastle's house for an inn? Because Tony Lumpkin, as I earlier mentioned, Tony Lumpkin misguided them into thinking so. Which of the following statement in the context of She Stoops to Conquer is correct? The answer is the old Marquis's sentimentality is driven out and the sense of pathos is supplanted by myth and delight. In Oliver Goldsmith's She Stoops to Conquer, She is to conquer whom? That is, she means Mrs. Hardcastle, that is Kate Hardcastle, stoops to conquer Marlowe. The comic muse, long sick, is now dying. The line appears in the prologue of She Stoops to Conquer. The Mistakes of a Night is the subtitle of the play She Stoops to Conquer. She Stoops to Conquer is a comedy by Oliver Goldsmith. Goldsmith's The History of Rome came out in 1769, whose essays were originally published as Chinese letters. That is Oliver Goldsmith's letters or essays were originally published as Chinese letters. When Lovely Woman Stoops to Folly refers to works by Oliver Goldsmith. Sir William Thornhill figures in The Vicar of Wakefield. Dr. Primrose is a character in the novel The Vicar of the Wakefield. Dr. Primrose is a character in the novel Vicar of the Wakefield, which novel is regarded as a novel of the family and of the home. That is Vicar of the Wakefield. Oliver Goldsmith made use of heroic couplet in his The Deserted Village. The deserted village set in his native village Auburn. Oliver Goldsmith's Vicar of the Wakefield is a novel. Oliver Goldsmith's periodical B. Oliver Goldsmith's periodical B started in 1759. Oliver Goldsmith's animated nature appeared in 1774. The essay on the present state of polite learning against sentimental comedy was written by Oliver Goldsmith. Oliver Goldsmith produced his play The Good-Natured Man in 1768. The Vicar of Wakefield, written in 1672, and it was published in 1776. Well, thank you everyone. Hope you like it. If you like and want such kind of videos, then do subscribe and share it with your friends. Happy learning.